Good morning, sunshine. It has been crazy around here with cameras. Let me tell you about it. Ever since I got the new Sony RX100 back from Best Buy, after it's been broken for the fourth time, I spent the morning trying to put together the perfect camera case for the Sony, the GoPro 13, and my cell phone, so that I could do research around my big backyard, you know. After sawing and hauling limbs with Newsom, I noticed this bird box was unoccupied, or so I thought. The moment I went to open the side and empty the box, these little black ants just poured out. So with gloves, I put it on the ground, and with a long stick, I got the bird nest out. And lo and behold, the whole bottom was covered with ant grubs. I thought this would be a great time-lapse, so I went and got the GoPro ready, but then accidentally dropped it in without mashing the button first. So I reached back in, mashed the button quickly, put it back down, made sure I didn't have any ants on my gloves, and constantly checked on my feet for ants crawling up my legs. In this time lapse, you can see that I stop and take a few pictures and maybe a video with the new Sony. Right now, I'm keeping the Sony, the GoPro, and my cell phone in a Tasco binoculars case that my daddy once owned. While I'm out and about, I use my cell phone to identify birds, bugs, and plants. Oh, and to call Newsom for help every now and then. As a matter of fact, after all this, and before the storm, we had a big time. June 1st started early, trying to figure out why my GI tract is so wonky. The doctors and nurses at Gainesville Gastro were phenomenal, and my upper GI endoscopy went very well, quickly. The doctor noticed my scar at 38 centimeters and did a couple of biopsies in my stomach and small intestine. Newsom and I enjoyed a much needed respite from the weather, which actually has been a lot of fun to record using the GoPro 13, as in right here, when I just sat it down on the side of the pool while we were frolicking. Right now, the pool temperature is at 84, and since we've had over 6 inches of rain in the last 12 days, we've had to let water out. The main bugs I've been skimming are flying ants, beetles, spiders, and, this time of year, tortoise beetles. And here's one of those rescues of a tortoise beetle into Sea Kelp Wonderland. Here's one of those time lapses of a cloud coming multiplied by 8. And this is how the days of May all seem to end, with rain. So I speeded up this last part times 32.